2, 1. I'm a young child. I am the oldest. I'm the leader of the pack. All my other siblings must be riding on my back. I'm basically the hand. I keep everyone in line. I never have to damage my shoes. We are the middle, and we overlook. There's room for us to break. Shook. I am the youngest. I am good. I'm the smallest. I am a day I was born. I walk into the room and Mommy, Daddy, please. Everyone is excited when I walk into the room. I just keep on going when I just don't, and everyone just does. Stop now.